If you've been struggling with flickering in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove flickering from video in CapCut. And I'm also going to show you a free workaround that helps you avoid the paid AI feature on CapCut desktop. So if the built-in tool is blocked on the free version, don't worry, because there is still a simple editing method that can help smooth out those lighting changes without paying for a subscription. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, it's important to understand what CapCut is doing here. On CapCut Desktop, the built-in AI Remove Flickers tool is a pro feature. That means if you try to use it on the free version, CapCut may block your export and ask you to upgrade. So instead of getting stuck at the end of your edit, we're going to use a classic workaround called the overlay duplication method. This method works by placing a copy of your clip on top of itself, shifting it by one frame, and reducing the opacity so the lighting variation blends together more naturally. To begin, open CapCut Desktop and import the video that has the flicker problem. Once your footage is in the media bin, drag it down onto the main timeline. Make sure the clip is placed properly and plays normally before moving on. This is the clip we're going to work with. Now right-click the video clip on the timeline and choose copy. After that, paste the clip. You can usually do this by right-clicking again and selecting paste, or using the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Once the duplicate appears, drag that pasted clip directly above the original clip so it becomes an overlay. The goal is to have both clips start at exactly the same point, so take a second to line them up carefully. If the clips are not aligned, the effect will not work as smoothly. Next, we need to shift the top clip by one frame. To do that, zoom in on your timeline as far as you can so you can see the frames more clearly. This part matters because the shift needs to be very precise. Click the top clip, then drag it to the right by exactly one frame. If that feels difficult with the mouse, you can also select the clip and press the right arrow key once on your keyboard. That moves it one frame forward and gives you the slight offset we need. After that, it's time to adjust the opacity. Click the top clip so it is selected, then go to the top right settings panel. Make sure you are on the video tab, then open the basic section. Look for the opacity slider and lower it to exactly 50%. This is the standard starting point because it blends the two versions of the video together evenly and helps reduce the flicker without making the footage look too washed out. Now play the video back and watch the result carefully. In many cases, this will reduce the flickering and make the footage look much smoother. However, if the motion in your video is fast, you may notice a little ghosting or blur effect. That happens because the two clips are slightly offset from each other. If the ghosting is too strong, don't worry because there are a couple of easy fixes you can try. First, you can lower the opacity of the top clip from 50% to 40% or even 30%. Sometimes that small adjustment is enough to reduce the ghosting while still keeping the flicker under control. Another option is to shift the top clip by 2 frames instead of 1. In some videos, a 2-frame offset blends the brightness changes better and creates a cleaner result. Every clip is a little different, so it's worth testing both settings to see which one looks best for your footage. If your video has a lot of movement, you may need to experiment a little more to get the best balance between flicker reduction and motion clarity. The key is to preview the playback after each change and stop when the image looks natural enough for your project. This free method is especially useful for creators who want a quick fix without unlocking CapCut Pro. So to recap, the process is simple. Import your video, copy and paste it as an overlay, align both clips, shift the top clip by 1 frame, lower the opacity to 50%, and then fine-tune the settings if you notice any ghosting. That's the free workaround for removing flicker in CapCut without relying on the paid AI tool. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and simple fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.